Welcome back to Coins Adventure. So today I'm going to present again this Royal Australian Mint releases $1 commemorative coin with a message of Morse code. It's actually from an Australian Broadcasting Corporation, which I took this clip. So if you can even read this one while having a view the clip, please have a like and subscribe below. So let's dive in. Look, if you're gonna look at this hours of these coins, we have it's pretty clear, which is even the up. This is the outburst, and then I got this clip actually from the readers I'm reading. So I put over here, which is this is very rare again. I think a lot of collectors looking about this one, and then you might have one of this kind. And if you look at this one, actually it's a Royal Australian Mint $1 commemorative coin. This is the year 2025. This is the latest coin. Pretty nice. It is, look at the clip below. You can even read about this more if you are going to search from the internet. So if you have such like this coin, which is pretty nice, and you can even send this one to PCGS, which is Professional Coin Grading Service, or a numismatic grading company at the US, and then there's one grading company at Australia. So if you have like this, such there are a lot of collectors who want to get your coin, and then if it's not in local market, you can even sell this one from the heritage auction. We have an eBay, Stocks Bowers Galleries, Upmixed, or if you have a local coin dealer, and you can even sell it to FB Market or even in Amazon. There are a lot of online where to sell these coins. Be sure only that your coins must be graded, so at least you know the price itself. This might fetch up to, $1,000. Having a coins like this are not exceptional. There are a lot of people want to get it, especially those who are collectors. They hoard the coin. These are very, very, very nice and very nice to keep it. Please have a watch this. It's very beautiful coin from the Royal Australian Mint. Released $1 commemorative coin with a message of Morse code. So I guess if you like this coin, please have a like and subscribe below. I hope you may thank you very much for your subscribe and watching this clip.